Profit, loss and discount. So from this topic, let us see the basic formula first. Profit or loss percentage. So profit or loss percentage is SP minus CP by cost price into 100. SP is the selling price and CP is the cost price. So we know that when the selling price is more, it's a profit, and the cost price is more than selling price is a loss, right? So this problem, a bike worth 40,000 is sold for 46,000. What is the profit percentage? So already this is a selling price is more. So according to this problem, selling price is 46,000 and bike cost price is 40,000. So if you want to find out the profit percentage, so how much profit in terms of percentage. So what is the profit percentage? To find out, just you apply selling price difference between them. There is nothing but how much profit they got. Okay, profit by CP into 100. So profit is 46,000 minus 40,000, right? Divide by cost price. So always in denominator place cost price. So cost price is 40,000 into 100. If you simplify, that is the profit percentage. And 46,000 minus 40 is 6,000 divided by 40,000 into 100. Okay, cancel this. 60 by 4, 15 percentage. So 15 percentage is the profit. So profit percentage is 15 and profit is 6,000. Okay, profit is selling price minus cost price. So to find out the direct formula, you can apply this. Okay, and let's see one more question. Mobile phone worth is 99,000 is sold for 9,000. So they sold for less amount. That means it's a loss. So what is the percentage loss? So your loss is 9,900 minus 9,000. So how much they got loss by cost price? Cost is 9,900 into 100. Just apply the formula directly. Okay, 9,900 minus, okay, 9,900 minus 9,000. So it's a 900 by 9,900 into 100. Okay, so 0 cancel 100 times. 900 by 99. So 9.09 percentage. 900 by 99. 99 tens is 990. This is 900. 9.09 will get. So this is the loss percentage. Loss percentage because cost price is more and selling price is less. So it's a loss already given. Just you can apply this formula straight away. SP selling price and cost price. So this difference you can apply for either is a loss or profit. Both are same, but denominator must be only the cost price.